G'day, how's it going? So today we're taking you for a walk along the new Green Mile from Benjakitti Park to the Lumpini Park. So at the moment we're right at the start. This is all new here. And we've got Terminal 21 back that way. Oh. And we can head down here. You've actually got the Benjakitti Park just there. But this is the new cycleway, walkway. And you've got the dog park, Benjakitti Dog Park just here. So we've got Circumvent Soy 10 here, where you can cut through there easy enough. And this is locked. So this is the part that's still locked. Can't be far away from being finished. Sweet carb. Got the pickleball courts here. It's fun. It's all, yeah, it is cool. It's all free. Basketball courts up next. Futsal. Oh, indoor soccer, I think. Yeah, indoor soccer. Got a bit of an outdoor gym there. But we're going to walk up over here and get on the walkway again. It's going to be good once it's finished. Maybe they're doing gardens in here. Jeez, look at that, close to that place. Too bad if you wanted to open your windows there, or your garage. Yep. Yeah, that's not happening. Down there, when we used to walk underneath, that was where the guy used to sit and wave to you.
Oh yeah, to go that way.
So, yeah. We've come to the end and we're about to head down, walk along and into Lumphini Park. It looks like eventually there'll be a path through straight into the park. It'll be much easier. And we've just hit Lumpini Park and it's just before 5 o'clock, so I don't know, 25 minutes, 30 minutes at the most, and we walk pretty slow, so it's a pretty easy walk. Now we'll see if we can hunt out some monitor lizards. When you get here you're probably going to need a drink. So, little stall here, slightly inflated prices from 7-Eleven, but not much, and it's the convenience of being able to get a drink when you get here. But it's 8 baht for one of these and 12 baht for one of those. So I don't think it's going to send you broke. But it's a good time to come to the park. It's just on 5 o'clock now and it's really quite busy. Everyone get ready to do their runs. And it's, let me tell you how, 33 degrees. I don't think she was yelling at me. It's that little fella running around down there. There you go, we'll see how many we can spot. That's the first one.
Har du den da unten gesehen?
Let's have a look. Another one just there. There's one there.
There's grass, there's one there.
Okay. There's one just down here. Oh, actually, I don't know if you can see down there beside there's a turtle. Babe, there's a turtle here. Just, I don't know if you can see it through there.
They're rather beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Comes the turtle.
There's two
Oh yeah.
This one's over here.
Another couple here.
Wowza, huge. Turtle.
Alright, it's turtle down there. So that was our walk from Benjakitti Park to Lumpini Park. Pretty easy. Look at the wildlife. And now we're going to do one more park, and that is Dusit Central Park, just up the top there. There's about 5 floors of park up there, so let's go up there and have a look. Maybe have a drink and watch the sunset. There's plenty of people around here. Just arrived at Dusit Central Park. It looks like they're getting ready for the Chinese Lunar New Year. I think these are always here. But we might come out this way. It'll be dark and they should have the lanterns.
Not might, we will.
Okay, not might, we
So
will.
when it's
We
not
will
dark,
come out this way.
usually.
They've got lights in them, so I'm sure it's going to look a lot better when we come out. So stick around for that. Headed out onto the park. It's definitely a lot quieter than when we were here at Christmas time. I'll stick that video up at the end so you can see a few of the Christmas lights. That Lumpini Park there in the background. So what do you do after a decent walk? You have a beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
So a couple of beers later and we ended up having dinner. A good Thai dish, Italian sausage and mashed potatoes. Actually we haven't had mashed potatoes for at least 10 years since we left New Zealand. So yeah, definitely worth sitting up there having a beer after some exercise, but yep, we'll finish it off here. We're just walking through where the lanterns and the entrance at the start. But yeah, pretty cool spot. I think it's well worth a walk from Benjakitti Park to Lumpini Park. Where's the deal? I think she's taking photos. Yeah, definitely worth a walk. It's only, I don't know, 3 and a bit Ks, I think, in the end when you get here. And you can get to it by, or you can leave. We're going to take the MRT right down the bottom, but the Salang Dang BTS is just down the end there. And if you've heard about the Rotti lady, she is just the first intersection there, and hang a left. And her stall will be down there. She streams live every night on YouTube, so you'll probably find her easy enough. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.